Welcome to NOVA Chiropractic and Acupuncture. We are located at 5288 Lingate Court in Burke, Virginia. We're near the intersection of Rolling Road and Braddock Road, just to give you a reference. I wanted to give you an office tour today, so let's go inside and take a look. This is our reception to the chiropractic and acupuncture. Dr. Sullivan is trained both in chiropractic but also in acupuncture and multiple different techniques. We utilize electronic health records to track your progress and to make updates to your treatment plan. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you two of the chiropractic treatment rooms and one of the acupuncture rooms, just to give you an idea. And this is one of our chiropractic treatment rooms. We utilize chiropractic, active release techniques, Graston Techinque, and laser therapy to help get you out of pain, get you back to your normal activities you've been missing out on because of your injury or because of your discomfort. The chiropractic treatment techniques, certified in multiple different techniques. Both we use a hands-on approach or an instrument-based adjusting style, depending on the patient and what each patient needs and needs from a comfort standpoint. Laser therapy is a great treatment technique to help reduce pain, reduce inflammation, and speed up the healing process. We use that a lot if someone's in a really acute pain and we need to get them out of pain fast. Active release techniques, Graston Techinque, and another technique called dry needling are used to help injuries that affect the muscles, tendons, ligaments. It really helps speed up the healing process, get those muscles healed up so you can get back to a normal active lifestyle. I'm going to show you one other treatment room we have for the chiropractic side. And in this room, it's pretty much the same setup. The only difference is in this room we have a treatment table in here called the Spinal Decompression table. And what that treatment table does is it helps to take the pressure off of herniated or bulging discs, either in the lower back or in the neck. And that's great if you've had a pinched nerve, sciatica, any kind of radiating pain down your legs or down your arms. This is a great treatment technique for that. Really pain-free, non-surgical way to treat that. Very effective. So let's go ahead and let's go into one of our acupuncture rooms. Okay, this is one of our acupuncture rooms. And Dr. Sullivan is trained in both traditional Chinese medicine, but also more of the medical side of acupuncture as well. And we just kind of combine the two to basically get the patient out of pain as quick as possible. One great diagnosis tool we utilize is a diagnosis system called Acugraph. And Acugraph, basically, we measure the different meridians throughout your body just by checking out a couple different acupuncture points in the wrist, hands, and feet, and basically it can graph that on a computer and show us if you're excessive in one meridian or deficient in another, and then we can really check your progress as you're getting better from visit to visit. So not only is the patient feeling better, but also we can really see that on the graphing system. So we do that on every visit, and we can modify our treatment plans as the patient's getting better, but it's a really effective way to just chart your progress and see how things are doing. So that's just a quick office tour here. So our goal here at NOVA Chiropractic and Acupuncture is to basically get you out of pain as quick as possible, get you feeling better, get you back to your activities you enjoy to do. And then we'll give you some strengthening exercises, some stretches that can help really prevent that from coming back. So if you're interested in making an appointment, give us a call at 703-912-7822, or you can schedule an appointment online by visiting us at novachirowellness.com. Thank you.